Hello everyone, let's learn about Boolean indexing. I have a series example S here which is generated from a list of integers. We are going to learn how to answer this question which is asking how to extract the numbers greater than 8. In order to answer this question, I've created a Boolean series which is generated from a list of Boolean values. Since the item 10 is greater than 8, the corresponding Boolean value is going to be true in the series B here. Items 2 and 3 have values lesser than 8, so I'm using the Boolean values of false for the corresponding values. Item 15 is greater than 8, so I'm mentioning true as the last Boolean value here. Then I've displayed the Boolean series B, which contains the data type as bool. It is very easy for us to apply this Boolean series to the series S. The syntax for that is to specify S and open square bracket, close square bracket. Within the square brackets, you're going to specify B. This is allowed because pandas allows us to specify complex expressions within the square brackets. What this operation will do is it will take the Boolean series B and apply it element wise to the series S over here, and you're only going to retrieve the values which correspond to the true values within the Boolean series. So you're going to end up getting 10 with the corresponding index of 0 and 15 with the corresponding index of 3 from the original series over here. Let me show you how we can simplify answering this question without having to generate the Boolean series on our own. Recall that you can apply the greater than operator element wise using a series and a scalar. So I can simply say S greater than 8, and that's going to generate a Boolean series for me over here. We can capture the return value into a variable called B, and I can go ahead and display B. Now I'll be able to apply B by saying S of B, and that's going to enable us to get the exact same output. Let me show you how we can simplify this further. Instead of capturing the return value of S greater than 8 into a variable B, I can directly apply that within the square brackets. I can type in S open square bracket, close square bracket. Inside the square brackets, I can type in this expression which is S greater than 8, and that's going to simplify solving this entire question which is asking how to extract numbers greater than 8. Observe that a single line of code in pandas is able to solve this question. If you were to solve the question using Python list, you will have to write a for loop to iterate over the list items. That is not at all essential in pandas because pandas has powerful tools. Let's go through a couple of other examples for element-wise operations here. I'm creating a series words from a list of strings. Let's say that we want to eliminate the words which have lower cases here. If this example sounds familiar, that's because we already went through a version of this example when we covered the list topic. I'm going to show you what will not work here. You cannot say words dot upper open parenthesis, close parenthesis. That doesn't work because you cannot call a string function. So I'm going to, string method. So I'm going to leave a comment here saying can't call string method. If you want to invoke the method properly here, you'll have to say words.str dot upper open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Let me go ahead and execute the cell which is first creating words. Observe that now we are able to produce a brand new series object instance where the values have all upper cases. It's going to be very simple for us to write this particular condition. We want to compare the values inside words to the values inside words.str.upper, and that's going to generate a Boolean series for us. We can capture that into a variable called B, and then we can apply the Boolean series back to words by specifying words of B, and that's now going to enable us to retrieve the values which are in all caps and the corresponding index values which are going to be 0 and 2 from the original series object instance here. Let me go ahead and display words really quickly before I show you the shortened version of the solution for this problem. The original words series object instance has only apple and cat in all caps. That's why we are getting apple and cat here. So I can simply say words open square bracket close square bracket and type in the entire expression here within the square bracket, and that's going to enable us to solve the problem in a single line of code. Let's go through the next example, which is asking how to get odd numbers from a series S here, which is generated from a list of numbers. Recall that you can apply mod operator by specifying S mod 2 here. That's going to retrieve the values which are going to be the result of the modulo operator when we apply mod operator element wise between S and the scalar 2 here. So I can check S mod 2 equal to 1. That's going to give me a Boolean series. You're going to get trues only for the items which have odd values, which let me go ahead and execute this series cell. I'm really sorry about this. Re-executing the previous cell, S mod 2 is now giving the proper value. S mod 2 equal to 1 is going to have the true values only for the numbers 19, 11 and 35 over here. So if we want to just retrieve the odd values from the original series, we can simply say S of S mod 2 equal to 1, and that's going to apply us this particular expression and retrieve only 19, 11 and 35 with the corresponding indices of 1, 2 and 4 here. The last example that I want to go through here is to apply the Boolean operators and, or and not to answer this question. This question is asking how to get numbers lesser than 2 or numbers greater than 33. Let me go ahead and display S really quickly here. So we have few numbers lesser than 12 and few numbers greater than 33. Can we simply say S of S less than 12 or S greater than 33? Pandas folks could take all of the basic mathematical operators and re-implement that along with the comparison operators. Unfortunately, the Python creators did not allow them to re-implement the OR operator. So this particular version does not work. Let me show you how you can apply OR using the complex expression here. Instead of typing OR, you're going to use the pipe symbol for going through OR. This particular example is also going to throw an error because OR has highest precedence here. So because OR has highest precedence, since you do not have a parenthesis surrounding S less than 12, you're going to run into precedence issues. Let me show you how to overcome that. You'll have to use a lot of parentheses. You'll have to use a parenthesis around S less than 12, and I'm going to use the pipe symbol, another parenthesis around S greater than 33, and that's going to enable us to retrieve the numbers as 10, 11 and 35, all of which satisfy this particular set of OR conditions here. 10 is less than 12, 11 is less than 12, 35 is greater than 33. You're going to get the corresponding indices as well from the original series object instance. Let me show you an example of AND operator here. If I replace OR with AND, that's going to retrieve, give me just a second. I am going to really quickly check what's going on here. I'm going to try and display S, and I'll re-execute this particular cell of code. That's going to enable us to get a series. For some reason I'm having some trouble with this example. I'll let you refer to this example from the completed version of the notebook file that I've already posted. Let's try and see if I can get the not example to work here. I'm going to say S of S less than 12. Let me replace OR with an AND, and I'm going to not the entire application of this complex expression here, I will have to add a parenthesis around the not to make sure that we have the correct output here. That is giving some result. I'm not really sure what's going on with this example. I'll try to dig in further. That will be it for today's lecture. Do try out all of these examples and make sure that you're able to understand how Pandas is very powerful, allowing you to solve questions with single line of code.